We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up PRO USD. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action candle is a bearish inverted hammer. So price is coming back for a retest with that candle. So price action overall, that market high. Price action overall low, midpoint in the middle. So what happened? Market started off some way. Could have started off at the midpoint. Let's say it started off at the midpoint, spike up to the high. But let's say coming down to red candles. Market came down to red candles. That price action candle with that wick sticking right there, that market came back to a retest. We're gonna see if that market's pushing down for that third leg, or is it pushing out to retest the top, work its way up. So that'll be coming from a W. Headed down to the weekly time frame, see what we see. So we can see market started off at that midpoint, above the midpoint with second level highs. So it consolidated. Let's draw out exactly what we see. Market pushed down, market pushed up, market spiked down. It was like a break and retest. Then market came to the midpoint, broke, came back to retest with the 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit the last candle, market came back to retest, and then market pushed down. So we just got two break and retests back to back. So it's could be coming from a double top. It's like a first, second, third, fourth. It's a double top structure with retesting it. Price action, third last candle spiked down to a low. So we gotta identify what's going on. So as we seen at on a weekly time frame, as that third last candle wicks all the way at that bottom, if that market's gonna break down towards that area and create new areas of lows after it breaks that wick. You want to see price action break below that wick, close out. May take that one candle, may take multiple candles. You want to see that close out to push that market down further, and we'll identify the break and retest below the area of the SR line. Headed down. So if that market's going to come up, we can clearly see market will just respect that third last candle wick or that area of that wick, and then come right back up. They find a double bottom in this area here. Head down to the daily time frame. Let's see what we see. On the daily, we can see the break and retest. So we add the midpoint. Price action is coming from a double top and a push. We do see the first leg. Let's say triple top and a push. There's a doji sitting right here. So first, second, third, fourth. Retest, market push down once. So market's coming, price action is coming from a triple top above that area. We have the break, market came back to retest, and it pushed back down to previous area that low, solid area that low. So let's draw out what we see in that area. Could be forming a few things for that first leg, second leg, third leg. If it pushes up, we can see price action coming from a W, and we'll see that retest. The market will work its way up further, and if that market is rejected, we can see it's coming from that triple top that we identified in that area. That's this area over here. So let's draw it out. First, second, third, fourth, retest 1, retest 2, and a retest, and just keep on working its way down for new areas. But market's on that second push, I think it was. Headed down to daily. Let's clear some of this off. Headed down to the 4-hour time frame. So price action on the 4 is trying to create some, just turn to a doji. So we don't know if that market's going to try to push up or it's going to get rejected. But let's say if it was going to push up that candle we just seen a few seconds ago, then that means that market would just be coming from creating a new area of support and pushing up. So we're just looking for a break and retest at the new area if that market's going to come up. But at that doji being there, that could be an area of retest for that market to drop down. So price action is coming from right above that area of that first leg, second leg, third leg. Market push down for that fourth, so we can see we's at that double top retest. Market's working its way down. Headed down to a 3-hour time frame to see what's going on in the market. 3-hour time frame, price is just doing a retest. We had the third last candle was a push down for the break. Second last candle was a push up for the retest. And then the price action is trying to push down to create that third leg. Price is respected for that third leg. We'll see price come out and create that W. If not, we'll see that break and retest and market push down. Headed down to the 2. So we got a doji, so we can see that market's creating an area of support, could be pushing out of it. So it's a retest. So what it's looking like in that time frame, if it's respected, first leg, second leg, as we walk down, if it's going to push up, we'll see that retest and market could push up from that area. If not, you can see prices coming from multiple pushes to the top, triple top, and market's on that retest currently of that break, retest, and market's working its way down. Headed down to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's going on. 1 hour is a doji, so it's identified the same as the 2 hour. Headed down to the 45. We got some retests in that market. Market just in a consolidation. Just keep it simple. Market just consolidating sideways. We want to see that come out of there. If it does, headed down to 30. Still sideways. So just drawing out some structure for you guys. So as we walk down the time frame, candles are going to start looking choppy. They're going to start looking dojis, like dojis as we see. They're going to start looking broken up. So showing you guys how to find them. First, second, third, fourth. That's a double bottom. Market retest, and it pushed up, retest. So we have price actions at a double bottom and a double retest of the previous area. So double bottom, 2 retests, and let's see, that market's going to push up out of it. And if that mark is rejected, so that means that's the retest area of the previous area from this area over here. Trying to break down this chart, grabbing the highest peak for the first leg, second leg, third leg, market pushed down for that fourth. Came back to retest. That's why we see the retest 1, retest 2 currently. So this market stops at this area here, which is down. So price action come up a double top and 2 retests, and we can see a push down from that area. Headed down to the 15-minute. Price action, just retesting the previous area. So he's in that area of consolidation. Price action and the second last candle did some type of double top of that area. Could be a retest from the previous area of support. So it's trying to draw some things out. Could be coming down for that first, second, third, pushing out for that fourth retest 1, and markets at that retest currently now with the price and second last candle that can push up. So it's W on top of W. It's going to push up and break out and do a break and retest. If it doesn't, you can see it's going to be respected for that area of that first leg, second leg, third leg with the red candles, and market pushes down. So we got to see an engulfment of that area with the red candles. Price action has to engulf the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some gaps in the market. 56 candle in the market. Close out below that wick. Market could push down. Price action on the 5-minute time frame. Side by side consolidation. So all you looking for is an engulfment to happen to close out to the upside or to the downside to push that market. It may take multiple candles, but it may not. On the way down, either it's going to be a big, huge candle engulfment, or it's going to be multiple bearish candles with some retesting. It's going to push down. That can push down to that area. And at the 1-minute time frame, still in that area of consolidation, and we can see price action look like just empty blanks. So all we see is markets consolidating sideways, looking for that engulfment to the upside or that engulfment to the downside. Now, just paying attention. If you guys trading this 1-minute time frame, just paying attention to the structure, you'll see it when it happens. It's gonna come out. If something's gonna break out, it's gonna look abnormal to what we see here. Very important information, guys. Please study and review for the pattern cheat sheet. Click on images. Also, breakout and retest strategy. Click on images. Okay, guys. This is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. PRO USD. Crypto.